You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of these equations that are named after a French engineer and physicist and an Irish physicist, mathematician. The French was named Navier, the Irish Stokes. So the equations are to be pronounced as Navier-Stokes equations. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.